Hey guys, it's me, Ramaldo. Today, I'm going to show y'all how you can make a very, it could steel spin. It's basically a steel spinning tornado battler. Now, if y'all don't know what tornado battlers are, they're those Beyblade metal things that are really tall. So let's get straight into this video. So you don't really need much, and it will, if you do want it to put a Beyblade inside, you can, but without a Beyblade inside, it's actually pretty cool. Now, if you have a little brother, little sister, you're going to be able to find the material you need in the house. What you're going to need is a number 3, I don't know what these are called, but you're going to need a number 3 of these. And so it will fit on a Beyblade Burst normal launcher. Here, let me show you. So it fits on there, it's just hard to get off. So it's basically a tornado battler. If you want to draw on it and keep it, that would be really cool, I guess. So let's get to a battle. So I'm going to use it Valtryek V2 in the original Beyblade Burst Stadium. You guys are probably going to fall though. So let's not put you there and put you right here. Now it's time for the tornado battler. You will have some problems trying to make it actually spin. So it's kind of rare for it to come off of the launcher, but I can make it. You can make it work. So as you can see, it's crazy. It jumps out of the stadium, and that's one thing I don't like about that. Let's go. What? Ugh. Crap. Let's keep going with this battle. Three, two, let it rip. Ooh, it did burst Valtryek once in a battle. So I thought that was really cool, and I thought I should put it on video. It's so hard to work. I'm going to move on to a different Beyblade, Spryzen S2. I'm going to try to make it stay in the middle. Ooh, oh, it's a tie. So it was able to actually, it was able to actually hit. Crap. It was able to actually hit the Spryzen stayed in the middle. So let's try again. Oh, ring out. It looks like it could still go on for a while. Oh, Survivor finished for once. So that was basically it for this little mini mod. If y'all want to see more, then tell me. If y'all want me to actually put a Beyblade inside of it, comment down below. That would be really cool. So bye.